Hello and welcome to the second part of the crowd mapping tutorial. Here you will learn how to edit existing points. Maybe you've changed your mind, maybe you want to improve your answers. You can all do it using the tools I will show you right now. Let's start by changing the attributes, changing the answer you given when you were adding the point to the map. Maybe you remember I've added a point in the freedom square. That was the fountain. When the layer is selected in the left sidebar, you can click on the point and the window will be shown. That is quite similar to the one you were seeing when you were adding a point. And then you can change the values. For example, I can select that the trees and green areas are bioluminescent, and I can change that there are some devices or installations that give shader. They are barely present, but they are. But the ventilation corridors are not existent. So I'm changing it quite a bit. I'm clicking Save, and the new values are added to our database. When you click on the point that is not in the selected layer, for example here, the window will be shown, the pop-up will be opened, that will show you what are the values, but you cannot change them. To change them, you need to select the layer in the left sidebar. I will do it right now. Close the window, select the layer from the left sidebar and click on this point. So now I can change the values that are here. For example, I've decided that devices or installations that give shade are present, not just barely present, but the ventilation corridors are non-existent. I'm clicking Save, and the values are changed. To move or to delete points, you can use those two icons. Once more, they only work on the layer, on the points that are selected in the left side. So, if I want to move the point here, in the Poznań main train station, I'm selecting the layer, I'm selecting the move icon, and I'm moving the point right now. In the editing options, there is always Save and Cancel button. To make the changes permanent, you need to click Save. Otherwise, they will revert to the previous state. Similarly to the LED points, you need to select the trash can icon and then click on the icon in the map and delete it, and then click Save to make changes permanent. I will do it right now. I will select high risk related to water, select the trash can icon, click on the point, it will disappear, and I will click Save. You cannot undo this. If you click Save, the change is permanent. And that's all you can do. You can change location of the point, you can change the attributes of the point, or you can delete the point. If you are satisfied with your answers, you can always see what others have done. To do this, select the panel from the sidebar called Profile or User Options and select See what others have done. You will be transported to the map where you can select points that are interesting to you and you will see all the points that were added during our crowd mapping project. Once more, please contribute, please have fun, and see you.